Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Now you found this video because you're searching for a method on how to get free Robux in 2026. I'm going to be showing you the best currently working Roblox promo codes that you can use right now, and one of these promo codes is going to get you 10,000 free Robux, and that costs around $100 if you was to purchase that amount. Guys, I am also doing a huge Roblox gift card giveaway, and to enter that giveaway you simply have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and spam your Roblox username in the comment section below. I'm going to be scrolling down beneath this video and choosing a bunch of people to give gift cards to, so yeah, make sure you do comment below. But anyway, this tutorial today, guys, is gonna be showing you a super simple method using Roblox promo codes in 2026, and it is gonna supply you with 10,000 free Robux in Roblox. And yeah, this is super easy. It takes around 5 minutes, but it is well worth it considering how much money this is going to save you. So guys, as you can see, I'm using my mobile, but let me just show you where you redeem this promo code that I'm going to show you how to get. So essentially you will redeem it in the Roblox website. They have a page here where you can redeem Roblox codes, and the code that I'm going to show you how to get, you grab it, redeem it in here. You have to make sure you're logged in and signed into your Roblox account, and it is going to add 10,000 to your balance. So let's get into it. You need to use your mobile internet browser just to obtain this Roblox promo code. So make sure you do have your mobile phone with an internet connection, and head on over to this website, www.crashcoupons.com. so spell it exactly like this, so make sure you type it correctly into your phone internet, and if you type it correctly you're going to be brought to this page. And when you reach this page, you want to use that search bar at the top, because they have so many different pages. You can see they have like 20 plus pages of different codes. So you're definitely going to want to use that and just type in exactly what I'm typing here, Roblox promo codes. Very important you type that, guys, because that is going to bring up this page. If you don't type promo codes, you're going to be greeted by lots of different Roblox games. So just type in Roblox promo codes, and on this page there are 4 verified promo codes, and as you can see, these are really popular. I actually found this in a different YouTube video, but it didn't have many views, and I know my subscribers are always asking for free Robux. So this is a super easy method, and it is pretty secret as well. So scroll down and look for this code, guys. You can see available coupons, and this one here, Roblox, 10,000 free Robux. And then this is like rated over 5,000 times, and it's verified working. People are actually using it today. So click on get code, and this is going to pop up this page here. And as you can see, guys, the code is sort of like hidden down here. You need to click on this button, and this is going to allocate you a code. As you can see, these are limited. There's 343 codes remaining. So this is going to give you one of those codes. And as you can see, the code is hidden, and this basically prevents people stealing all of the codes. You can only do this once for 10,000 Robux. So click on this button. And this page here is going to tell you how to unlock your code. You just need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page. So treat these as like Roblox quests. They're just like basically mobile apps and games and stuff where you just need to follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. These tasks are really easy, guys. I did this earlier. They're all completely free, and yeah, they're really easy things. Like this one, for example, is an easy one. It says enter your email and complete the steps. So this is like a free survey where you would tap on it and just answer some questions. Doesn't really even matter how you answer them. And then you just need to put in your correct email, because that basically verifies you as a real person. There's other things as well, like mobile apps where you just install them and open them. Like this one, download, install this app and create and open it for 30 seconds. So it'll take you to the App Store where you just download that app. It's basically a heart rate monitor. It's completely free. And then you open it for 30 seconds and that one will be complete. So yeah, they're all pretty easy. Just complete 2 of them. And what it's going to do, I'm going to skip forward. Like I said, I've already done it. But yeah, complete 2 of those and it will send you back to this page and your code will be revealed. Like I said, I did this earlier and it does limit 1 code per person. But if you complete 2 of those tasks I showed you on that page, yeah, your code will be revealed here. So your Roblox promo code for free Robux will be here. And then you basically redeem it in the website I showed you. So in the Roblox redeem codes field. So you grab the code and enter it into here and it's going to give you 10,000 free Robux. So that is it, guys. Pretty easy if you ask me. Just basically use your mobile to go to Crash Coupons and then make sure you do search for the Roblox promo codes page, guys. And that is going to get you the 10,000 free Robux code. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and leave your Roblox username for that gift card giveaway, because I'm giving loads of gift cards away if you don't want to do this. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.